The 2010 S80. In an S80, intelligence creates its own momentum. It's fast, comfortable, and roomy. The Volvo S80 is Volvo's flagship sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, moonroof, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.